In this fast-paced world where demands seem endless and time is a precious commodity, it's easy to overlook the importance of self-care. However, taking care of oneself is not a luxury but a necessity for a balanced and fulfilling life. So in this report, we will dive into the concept of self-care and explore its significance in maintaining our overall well-being. Furthermore, we will discuss the psychological aspect of self-care and its relevance to our mental health. But first, let me introduce myself. Hi everyone, my name is Nerissa Monte. Caring for the self or self-care, kung sa Tagalog pa kay pag-aalaga sa sarili. So, the World Health Organization defines self-care as the ability of individuals, families, and communities to promote health, prevent disease, maintain health, and cope with illness and disability with or without the support of a health worker. So, base sa definition na gihatag sa World Health Organization, ang self-care daw kay ang kakayahan sa tao nga mag-ayo sa ilang kaugalingon bisan walay suporta gikan sa mga health worker. So, sa simple nga pagsulti, ang self-care kay dili lang limitado sa pag-ampo o pag-inom og tambal, kundi usa ka komprehensitibo paagi sa pag-atiman sa imong lawas, isip ug panginabuhi. Mahimo kini pinaagi sa pagkaon ug maayo, regular nga ehersisyo, pagdala og stress, pag-undang sa bisyo ug pagsunod sa mga praktikal nga mga pamaagi aron mapreserba ang imong kahimsog. Ang self-care kay usapod ka importante nga pamaagi aron masiguro ang imong maayong panglawas ug kahimsong bisang walay tambalanan nga tabang. Next, we have caring for the self psychologically. So, caring for the self has different aspects, and one of them is caring for the self psychologically. Now, we will explore what it means to care for oneself psychologically and why it is important for our well-being. First, let's define psychological care. Psychological care means taking care of our thoughts, emotions, and overall mental well-being. It involves paying attention to our inner world and doing things that support our mental and emotional health. Just like how we take care of our physical health by eating well and exercising. Psychological care focuses on our mental and emotional well-being. So sa atong pang araw-araw na adlaw, madalas ka nang makaramdaman jud tag pagod, lungkot o pagka-stress. Ang psychological care kay mura lang pud og pag-atiman sa halaman. Kapag naatay halaman, kailangan nato ni tagaan og sapat na water, liwanag, and love para mag-grow at mukhat ka dito ng maayos. Kailangan natong tagaan og atensyon o pag-aalaga ang atong mga emotion at kaisipan. Kay maaari natin itong gawin sa pag-relax, pag-istorya sa mga amigo, pagsulat sa diary, o pag-inganyo sa mga bagay na gapasaya sa ato. So, sa pamagitan ng psychological care, nagiging mas malakas at malusog ang atong kaisipan at damdamin tulad ng isang malusog na halaman na nagabigay ng kasiyahan sa atong life. Now, why psychological care is important? First, we have emotional balance. So, psychological care helps us manage and balance our emotions. It means learning how to handle stress, anger, sadness, or any other emotions we experience. By taking care of our emotions, we can improve our overall emotional well-being and feel more balanced. Second, building resilience. So, psychological care helps us develop resilience, which means bouncing back from difficult situations. When we take care of our mental well-being, we become better equipped to handle stress and setbacks. we can face challenges with a positive mindset and find ways to overcome them. Lastly, we have improved relationships. Caring for ourselves psychologically also benefits our relationship with others. When we prioritize our mental health, we can communicate better, set healthy boundaries, and have healthier connections with the people around us. So, practicing psychological self-care. So, here are some simple ways to care for yourself psychologically. First, we have take breaks. So, give yourself regular breaks from work or responsibilities to relax and recharge. Engage in activities you enjoy or simply take time to rest. Second, we have reflect on yourself. Set aside some quiet time to think about your thoughts, experiences, and goals. This can help you gain clarity and better understand yourself. Seek support. Don't hesitate to reach out to friends, families, or professionals when you need support. Talking to someone can provide perspective and help you navigate challenges. And lastly, engage in activities you would love. So, make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. It could be hobbies, spending time in nature, reading, or anything that makes you happy.